video, I'm going to show you how to turn 0 V-Bucks into infinite V-Bucks. So this should be a quick and easy process video. If you bought STW before the 30th June 2020, you can get unlimited V-Bucks. Here are some ways to earn V-Bucks. Complete daily quests, normally 50 V-Bucks, but sometimes you get 60 or 100. You get one every day. You can only hold 3 daily quests at the same time. You can test your luck and reroll a daily quest for a chance for 60 or 100 V-Bucks. Only once a day. The quests are usually eliminate 300 husks with a weapon type. After that, log in every day and you will get a reward. On the beginning, 2 or 4 weeks you don't get V-Bucks, but later you get V-Bucks. So log in and repeat the cycle itself and you return to the beginning. Complete mission alerts that reward V-Bucks. Mission alerts are missions that give an additional reward when you complete them only once per day. The mission is alert rewards aren't always the same. Complete storm shield defenses, advance in the story to keep unlocking those. There are 10 in each one of the 4 zones, so complete some side quests, check the quest log to see your side quests and daily quests, and I think that's all. As always, thank you for watching.